Hello, this is Phil Thatch, and you're not going to believe this, but I made $10,000 on YouTube. Sounds really cool until you see how hard it was. Here's my YouTube channel, and as of the time I'm recording this video, which is October the 12th, I think, I've made 981 videos and published them. And I've got the channel set up now to show them in chronological order. Here's my first video ever, a ride on the tail of the dragon with the Scenic City Miata Club. Then I've got family videos, and it goes on and on and on with mostly family videos, maybe some live music that I recorded on location. And somewhere along in here I started doing some photography videos, like I showed how to replace the rubber ring on a Nikon 70-200 f2.8 GVR2, which was pretty cool. And I did videos from Disney World, a lot of videos from Disney World, which those never really took off, although a couple of them did pretty well. But eventually, over the years, I kind of realized that it was photography that I wanted to do more than anything else, even though I started doing some drone stuff as well, got my drone license, but I let that lapse and have sold all my drones. It's all about photography now, and even when we go to Disney World, it's just photography videos from Disney World or photography videos from wherever we go. But here you can see lots and lots of videos that I made over the years. And things started really cooking when I got a Z6, right when the Z6 first came out. It was a mirrorless camera, and a lot of people were interested in mirrorless cameras but didn't have them. So people started watching my videos in those days, and things went on and on and on. And eventually I also invested in Canon and Fuji and more recently Sony. And now I've gone back and bought another Nikon lens, the 180-600. I invested in vintage lenses thanks to the influence of my friend David Sailors. I had a lot of help through all of this from my daughter, who's been the subject of a lot of the photography on the channel, and Heather, my fiance, who has participated in a lot of the photography on the channel. And she's even gone out and made, I think, 2 and maybe 3 videos by herself that have been published on the channel. So thanks to all of those people for helping me with my photography channel here on YouTube. And now we're getting close to being caught up, or a lot closer to being caught up. We're in the Canon era. Here's the first Canon R7 video that got 39,000 views. So that one was pretty important to the channel. And this one here was the second one that came out. It got 28,000 views. Pretty good videos. That was the most money I ever made in one day on the channel when the R7 video came out. So that was pretty cool. But so many videos I've made over the years. And now that I'm caught up, let's look at how the monetization went. Okay, so here is the monetization of the channel for the entire time that the channel's been alive. The channel's gotten 3.3 million views. I'm at 11,400 subscribers. And as you can see, my estimated revenue is $10,052.87. And you can see this graph shows the money that was made each day. And for years and years and years, there was nothing. And then right here, I started making 10 cents, 9 cents, 11 cents. I think one of those was 40 cents back in January of 18. And then right after that, YouTube changed what they needed to be monetized. You had to have 1,000 subscribers, and I only had about 500, and you had to have 4,000 hours of viewing in a rolling year, and I didn't have that. But right here in, let's see when this is, right here in April of 19, I finally got monetized and haven't gone back. And here you can see how much money I've made each day since then. My goal right now is to try to make $10 every day, and I'm still not hitting that. But you can see, even in the early days of monetization, sometimes I would hit it. But right here, there's a couple of spikes before that, but the biggest spike is right here. And I never can get this thing to land right on it. But you can see the top of this graph is $37.50, and it's less than that. But that's the day I bought the R7. Heather and I both bought R7s, and we made R7 videos, and they did really well. But as you can see, I'm still, even now, and right up close to these days, I'm still not quite getting $10 every single day, but my average is probably $10 a day. At least it has been the last month or two. But $10,000 on YouTube, 980 videos, and years of work with help from my fiance and my daughter and my daughter's fiance has been in a few of the videos, and lots of other people. Ray Soldano's helped me out a lot, David Saylors, Tim Childers, lots of my friends have been helpful on this channel, and I appreciate the viewers so much for watching the channel, especially the ones who comment on every video, but even the ones who don't comment and just watch the videos. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate it, because I'm going to be doing photography every day, whether or not I'm making a little bit of money. I used to do photography on Facebook all the time, and I would upload the pictures and people would say nice things, but I didn't make any money. And that's why YouTube, in my opinion, is so much better, because I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go out and make pictures every time I have a chance. And instead of putting them on Facebook, now I'm putting them on YouTube, and I'm getting an audience. Instead of just a local or regional audience, I'm getting an audience from all over the world, and nice comments from all over the world, and a few bucks every day. Not enough to retire from work by any stretch of the imagination, but it's nice to have a little bit of income on the side to make me feel a little bit better about all the time I spend playing around with photography. So thank you very much for viewing. I hope you have enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we're not stopping anytime soon. Bye-bye.